Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to chat with a PDF using the ChatPDF tool in Monica. So I've got Monica open here in my Google Chrome web browser, and to get started I'm going to go to the left hand side of my screen and I'm going to click on more. Then here you're going to see an option called Chat PDF. So when you click on it, it should open a new web page where you can upload your PDF document. In this case, I'm going to be uploading a research paper that is a bit dense and jargon heavy. So Chat PDF is a great tool for being able to speed up your learning process and to really dive deep into certain topics. So right now it's going to finish parsing. I'm going to give it a few more seconds to finish and hopefully it'll be done in just a moment. And now that that's done, as you can see, Monica will generate a PDF summary automatically, and you will also be able to ask specific things about specific parts of the document and be able to receive an accurate response and answer. So I'm just going to give it a few more seconds to finish the PDF summary before showing off exactly what it can do. So as you can see here, it has generated a pretty concise summary about what the paper is about, its key topics and core ideas, and what it applies for the future. So we can also ask it several different things based on the content of the paper, and it will provide us with specific answers directly coming from the PDF we have just uploaded. So in this case, I'm going to ask it something simple, like what does the paper imply about the state of the environment and human health? So here we go. It gives us overall a very in-depth answer. So the paper implies several critical points about the state of the environment and its implications for human health. So we can also ask it something about like explain in layman terms the methodology that the researchers used. And here we see a summary. In summary, researchers used computer simulations to study how DEHP and its breakdown products interact with a key protein that affects reproductive health. So this is super useful if you're a student and are cramming a few papers for school. Maybe you need to take an exam about them. And it's just a great way to help you break down information into digestible bits of information. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.